welcome back to BizCare, and in this session I'm going to take you through how to activate new mobile connections through BizCare. First things first, make sure you're in the right BR and PR. Go to manage connection, mobile activation. This whole journey of mobile activation flow is broken down into 4 steps: product, select numbers, customer, and confirmation. Select on any approval type. We have both direct and OTP approval. But before we go into OTP, let me explain what an LOA is. LOA stands for level of authority. This is going to be someone from your company's end. It could be your company HR or your CEO. It's always going to be one or more people from your company's end. So this particular LOA that you select here, they are also tasked with approving the connections that you're activating through BizCare. So until this particular LOA logs into their BizCare portal and approves the connections that you just wanted to activate, your connections are not going to get activated, right? So OTP approval is basically when you send the OTP to this particular LOA that you have selected here, they will be receiving the OTP to their registered mobile number. Fetch the OTP from them and enter it over here in this field. It's always best to let them know before you press the send OTP button, because we only have given a time frame of 1 minute. There are 2 order types in BizCare: standard and bulk. Standard is basically if you want to activate 1 to 20 connections in one go, you can go for standard. In bulk, you can activate more than 20 but less than 50. If you were to do any bulk order type in BizCare or any bulk change in BizCare, you're going to have to first download the template. This is what the template is going to look like once it's downloaded and uploaded to Excel. Enter in the package code, the SIM serial number, refer to your blank physical SIM with you. ID type, state if it's NIC or passport. Put in the relevant number over here. First name, last name, present address line 1, present address line 2, present address line 3, present postal code, permanent address line 1, permanent address line 2, permanent address line 3, permanent address postal code, and the email address. So once all of these details are filled in, download the Excel sheet, come back to BizCare and press upload. If there are any errors in the Excel sheet that you have uploaded, they are going to be shown right here in red highlighted boxes. So make sure you go back to your Excel, correct the errors, come back to BizCare and re-upload it. In this flow, I'm just going to show how to do a standard order type. Let's assume I want to activate only 1 connection through BizCare. You can go for a standard order type, obviously. We have 2 product types, voice and data only. Data only has only postpaid, but voice and data has both postpaid and prepaid. You can toggle between the 2 radio buttons and configure the type of product that you want to activate. Next up, select a reference number from the list of numbers that we are showing here. These numbers are all from the same PR that you're in currently. Let's just say the first number belongs to a manager and they have a credit limit of around rupees 10,000. The second one belongs to an intern and they have a credit limit of around 1,000 rupees. So by selecting a number for reference, you're telling the system the new connections that you're wanting to activate, you want them to be having the same credit limit, the same billing cycle as the number that you just selected from here. So there's nothing to worry about the reference number over here because the credit limit can be changed from the customer step as well. Put in the number of connections that you're wanting to activate. Select this box and say if you want to apply a single package to all connections or not. Next up, choose the main package from the list of packages that we're showing here. If you happen to be knowing the package name or the package code, just simply start typing it. We have 2 number selection types in BizCare: to choose a number and to assign a number. So by assigning a number, that is the default selection. What we mean is that you will be assigned with randomly available numbers in the system. So to choose a number is to give your numbers a specific pattern. We at Dialog, all our corporate connections start with 077, 333 or 07733. There's a specific pattern to it. If you wish to have a specific pattern, just enter in 4 digits over here. And you can state if you want it to be at the start or somewhere along in the number or at the end of your number. If you also have reserved any numbers in advance, you can just select reservation ID and put in the reservation ID over here. Let's just go with assign number for now. Press continue. You'll be able to see a SIM number over here, or SIM numbers depending on the number of connections that you're wanting to activate. So it's always best to make sure the number of connections that you're wanting to activate are the same number of blank SIMs that you're having with you that are purchased under your BR. If you wish to edit this SIM number, press the edit icon, type in your SIM serial number, and if it's been purchased by your BR, you'll be able to see it right below the search bar. If you wish to edit this SIM number, press on the edit icon, type in your SIM serial number, you'll be able to see it right below the search button. You can edit your mobile number as well, just like how I showed in the product screen. If you wish to modify your package in this step, you can still browse through all of the different packages that we have shown here in the drop down. Select the numbers that you want to activate. In our case, it's just one. Press continue. Next up is for you to enter in your customer's details, as in to enter in your employee's details. Select connection 1. I'm able to see only connection 1 over here because I did mention that I want to activate only one connection. So let's assume if you wanted to activate 20 connections, you're going to have to enter in all of these details for all 20 employees. Select an ID type, NIC or passport, first name, right. You can already see the credit limit saying 1000. You can also increase it or decrease it as you wish. The reason why it's already saying 1000 is because the number that I selected as a reference number in the product screen has the same credit limit. Put in an email address. Put in your present address line. It could be a residential address or a company address. If you want it to be the same as a company address, just check this box. Again, your permanent address could be your residential address or your company address, or if you wish for it to be the same as your present address, just check this box. Press continue. Next up, in the confirmation screen, accept the terms and conditions and the data privacy policy and click on activate.